Good morning.
Good morning, children. Today it is children literature. It is literature today. Okay, because last week we discussed what practice book chapter
We can
4.
go practice.
Yeah, that is subject verb agreement. But today, children, let us discuss another chapter, another lesson in English literature. And it is today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow. So please open chapter 5. All of you get ready. Class 7, all of you get ready. Open.
Six.
Yeah, open your book. It is chapter 4.
बिरयानी करेंगे.
Yeah, I am showing it. I am showing chapter 5 to you, which is a poem titled, see, titled Today and Tomorrow. Today and Tomorrow by J. Carpenter, the poet. Okay? Pre-reading task. So I hope, yes, yeah.
सर कोई डीएवी पीएससी खगोल एंड माइंस से एक ग्रुप में जुड़ा हुआ है सर. गुड मॉर्निंग
अच्छा
सर.
देखता हूँ. Okay, let me see.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning, good morning. So this is our lesson today, children. This is our lesson today. Today and tomorrow. See the title, children, by J. Carpenter. Pre-reading task. Well, so get ready. Listen to me, children. I am going to introduce you to this lesson. I am going to discuss pre-reading.
सर पेज नंबर क्या है सर? पेज नंबर
It is chapter 5. See, chapter 5, page number, in my book, it is page number 26. It is page number 26. Okay? Well, pre-reading task, children, today and tomorrow. This is the title. Actually,
सर आपका वीडियो ब्लर आ रहा है.
for our listen, time is an ongoing process. Time is an ongoing force. Time never stops. Time, children, time is such a force about which we don't know.
सर which chapter?
This is C, chapter 5, today and tomorrow. Okay, children, if I ask you, how will you answer? What is time? Children, what is time?
Sir, time is a thing which
What
never
is
comes
time?
unexpected. Sir, time is a thing which never get back when it's wasted.
Have you seen time? Have you seen time?
No, sir.
Uh,
No, sir. No, sir.
when was time born?
Sir, nowhere.
Yes. Actually, you can say that, sir, these questions cannot be answered because time is such a force about which we don't know anything. Yeah. But yes, we feel time. Do you feel time?
What, sir?
Do you feel time? Do you feel it around you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is
We
felt.
can't see that. Yes, sir. Because sir, अगर raining हो रहा है तो हम लोग उसे feel कर सकते हैं. फिर वो दोबारा तो वैसा period नहीं आएगा, time नहीं आएगा कि हम लोग उस वैसा ही same time हो कि हम लोग उसको ये कर ले, पहचान ले वापस.
Okay.
मैम बीता हुआ 1 सेकंड वापस नहीं आएगा.
Okay. What are the forms of time? What are the forms of passage of time?
Sir, 3 forms of time: present, past, and future.
That is the kinds ना our convenience. टाइम का चेहरा क्या है बताओ? टाइम का चेहरा जो पता चले कि हाँ ये टाइम है, उसका चेहरा बताओ.
Sir, nothing.
वो है.
सर वो है सन
है, वो सनराइज है, इवनिंग है, नून
सनसेट है, सन
नाइट
Yes,
है,
sir.
नाइट आफ्टरनून है,
यस सर.
वो मिड नाइट है.
सर एम आई करेक्ट?
सुनो
सर
okay, listen children, this is a serious discussion going on. टाइम का चेहरा क्या है? मॉर्निंग. टाइम का दूसरा चेहरा इवनिंग. टाइम का अगला चेहरा नून. टाइम का अगला चेहरा आफ्टरनून. मिडनाइट, नाइट, डॉन, डस्क, ट्वाइलाइट, ये सब हैं. ओके, तो चिल्ड्रन हम लोगों ने क्या किया कि अपनी कन्वीनियंस के लिए कुछ समझने के लिए ओके हम लोगों ने टाइम को डिवाइड किया 3 में: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर, यस. ओके, अब टाइटल पर आ जाओ. टाइटल पर ओके, फोकस द टाइटल चिल्ड्रन. व्हाट इज टुडे? What is today? What is today?
Sir, Monday 12 date.
Yeah. Monday 12th July. Monday 12th July, and it is you can say 11 past. It is 15 minutes past 11 p.m. You can say 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. And the time that is around us, the part of time, the segment of time, the share of time that is around us is today. And today is from morning to evening, right? Well, and what is tomorrow?
Sir, accomplishments.
What is tomorrow?
Sir, accomplishments.
What is tomorrow? Tomorrow, what is tomorrow?
सर आपका आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रहा है. सर बहुत धीरे आ रहा है.
रुको
सर
अब
क्लियर आ रहा है, बहुत क्लियर. बहुत हल्ला कर रहे हैं.
चुप.
क्लियर नहीं हो रहा.
Keep quiet. कीप क्वाइट, कीप
कुछ बच्चे बहुत हल्ला कर रहे हैं।
चुप रहो, चुप रहो, कोई हल्ला नहीं कर रहा, तुम शांत रहो।
कर दीजिए, आवाज नहीं आएगा।
हाँ तुम
यस सर, सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए।
तुम
सर
शांत।
सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज सर, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
हाँ listen, what is tomorrow? The answer is the time that is to follow. Tomorrow you can say by date it is known by 13th July, and by day it is known Tuesday. Tomorrow. Well, so today means Monday, 12th July, the time which is in our hand, the time which is in our control, okay, within us, up to us. And tomorrow means the time which is to follow. A part of future is tomorrow. Tomorrow means future time. That is not very far. Tomorrow is not very far. A part of time that is to come, that is tomorrow, that is 13th of July, Tuesday. So this is the face of tomorrow, and the face of that is some information about tomorrow. Okay, so now let us जस्टिफाई द टाइटल। इस शीर्षक को हम लोग थोड़ा सा तर्कसंगत रूप से इस पर थोड़ा सा हम लोग इस पर कुछ बहस करें। मैंने कभी ये कहना चाह रहा है, जेई कारपेंटर बच्चों ध्यान दो, बच्चे लिसन, यू आगे पीछे मत देखो, पीछे मत देखो बच्चे, हाँ सामने देखो, बोर्ड को देखो बेटा, बोर्ड को देखो, अपने टीचर को अभी सुनो, क्योंकि अभी प्री रीडिंग टास्क चल रहा है, प्री रीडिंग टास्क है। यस, इस लेसन में, इस पोएम में पोएट ये कह रहे हैं कि हमें टुडे पर ध्यान देना चाहिए।